Most beginners add click handlers using inline one-click attributes, but there's a more powerful modern approach that every JavaScript developer needs to know. First, you need to select the button element from the DOM. You can use getElementById if your button has an ID attribute, or use querySelector for more flexible selection using CSS selectors. Both methods return a reference to the DOM element that you'll attach the listener to. Once you have the element, you call the addEventListener method directly on it. This method is available on all DOM elements and is the standard way to handle events in modern JavaScript. Unlike the old one-click approach, addEventListener allows multiple handlers on the same element and gives you more control over event behavior. addEventListener takes two required arguments. The first is the event type as a string, in this case the word click. The second argument is your callback function, which is the code that runs when the button is clicked. You can pass a regular function, an arrow function, or even a function reference. Inside your callback function, you can accept an event parameter. This event object contains useful information about what happened, like which element was clicked, the mouse position, and methods to control event propagation. It's automatically passed to your function by the browser. To add a click listener, select your button element, call addEventListener with the string click and your callback function. This is the modern, flexible way to handle user interactions in JavaScript. Practice this pattern, it's fundamental to interactive web development. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.